Sebenarnya aku mau aja sih ke TBC, soalnya di sekolah lama juga main stres, banyak PR semua segala macam.
Oh, oke. Tapi kan SMP juga banyak PR kan?
Kalau di TB
Saya masih punya mindset ya, SMP itu tuh stres loh. Enggak ya?
No. It is so easy. When I move here, I was like, what is this?
Iya,
Ini
easy.
kok bisa matematikanya masih learn about fractions?
How do you convince the parents that it is also good not to have homework? Kenapa anak saya nggak ada PR? Jadi anak saya di rumah itu tuh
If it's math, I can do like I've done a test for like 3 minutes only. Math test.
math test only 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Saya nggak tahu ini siapa ya.
Marina.
Marina siapa sih?
Kok kayak II aku?
Iya.
Iya.
II-nya. Oh ya. Dari Links Veronica, nakal yang mana? Kevin H atau Kevin T? Siapa nih Links itu siapa?
II lah aku lagi.
Kenapa I kok banyak banget?
Banyak lah. Keluarga Cina, mana gak banyak.
Kenapa kalian selalu ingin masuk podcast? Kan kalau saya masuk kelas kalian selalu bilang, Sir, where's my turn to be in a podcast kan? Selalu kan gitu kan?
Yeah.
Kenapa kalian pengen masuk
To
podcast?
skip Mandarin.
Interesting.
Tapi kan you know that the podcast is always been scheduled Friday morning
Yeah.
at school.
Iya, tahu.
So you cannot miss any lesson, right?
Yeah. Tapi the last one with Jesslyn and Aurel,
Huh?
yeah, they actually skip Mandarin one. Iya.
Lah.
Wih, 3 period.
Iya, setelah itu saya kena tegur sama Bu Ratna. Jadi jangan kena pelajaran. Makanya habis itu kita Jumat pagi.
Oh,
Ah.
okay.
Tapi kan you know that we always schedule on Friday morning, but you still want to do the podcast.
Yeah.
Why?
It's kind of interesting
Hmm.
by like introducing yourself on YouTube or some else. Yeah.
Okay, that means you want to introduce yourself.
Mau
Not
famous
really.
dia, Sir.
Okay, I'll give you a chance to introduce yourself, Kevin.
Okay. Hello. My name is Kevin Andrawan and I'm 12 years old. I'm from Bali and I've lived my whole life in Bali. Yeah.
From you were born until
Until
grade-
11.
Okay, until 11 years old.
Yeah.
Tunggu, kenapa bisa pilih Tunas Bangsa? Kan Pontianak ada banyak sekolah.
I think
Have you ever like do a school tour to those other schools or langsung straight to
my mom
TB?
ever
uh,
mau pilih-pilih sekolah lah, banyak kan sini. A lot, Gembala Bayi, Petrus, apalah. And then because of that my mom see Tunas Bangsa dekat di Citra Garden. Habis itu juga apa that thing, Cambridge. Yeah, Cambridge curriculum and others. Yeah, because my old school juga Cambridge sama.
Okay.
Yeah. Jadi the things I learn now sudah di-learn di grade 6 dulu.
That's why it's easier for you to catch up with your lesson.
Yeah.
Oke, karena saya dengar-dengar dari guru-guru juga, dua Kevin ini termasuk yang top student lah. Selain ada Bill, ada Warren, ada Felika ya. Siapa lagi sih?
Medi juga kehitung nggak sih?
Kayaknya Mizard juga ada disebut.
Mizard is good, very good at presentation with Wendy. Yeah.
Yeah.
That is why I communicate with them a lot. Yeah.
Oke, that's good. Nah, terus waktu tiba di Tunas Bangsa hari pertama, are you nervous? Because I know that because we do have a lot of students from primary Tunas Bangsa,
Yeah.
and you know that sometimes it's very normal for them to make groups like gang, ya kan? Oh,
Yeah,
ini geng
yeah,
Tunas
yeah.
Bangsa, ini geng sekolah lain gitu kan? It's very normal,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, very normal.
Did you get nervous?
I was nervous because of the students. They don't really communicate English. At my old school, we communicate by English, like fluent English, no Indonesia at all.
Layak kah?
The first time I met him, he spoke bahasa Indonesia with me.
Oh, okay. Because I know that like Bill, Warren, Felika, they always speak English.
Oh yeah,
Uh,
that is why the first day I really look for like English speakers to communicate and introduce myself first.
Okay.
Easily.
And who was that friend?
Him.
Oh, the other Kevin.
He's not really fluent, but apa namanya? Okay lah.
okay.
Still.
I just mix.
Yeah,
Oh,
mix.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who else? Maybe Bill Warren? Did you?
Bill sama Warren pernah.
Pernah.
Yeah.
Okay. what was the reason why Oke, kan waktu kita izin orang tua dia bilang, oh sorry ya sir, mungkin kalau ada kata-katanya dari Kevin yang bahasa Indonesianya agak messy.
Oh yes, my mom always tell that to me. My mom told me this morning, Kevin, just use English. Yeah, because my Indonesian is not really that good.
Tapi Kevin di rumah pakai bahasa apa kalau sama orang tua?
Mix. Yeah, Indonesian and English because
Okay.
sometimes I cannot describe a word.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. It's good to have someone in a classroom which has very good English and not very good bahasa, so that your friends when they talk to you, they are forced to speak English.
Not really, but
Not really.
I'm still trying to adapt to like Indonesian. Yeah, trying to improve my Indonesian words. Yeah, so I can speak fluently.
Okay. Terus Kevin, the first time you met the other Kevin Tandra, you said that you introduced yourself. How did you introduce yourself?
I said salaman gitu.
Oh, salaman.
Hello,
Okay.
Hendrawan. Dia Tandra.
Oh, Tandra, that's
Yeah.
it. And then you both together like, okay.
Yeah. He told me to go to the lapangan kan itu Monday.
Yeah,
It was
Monday,
yeah.
right.
To go to the flag ceremony. And,
Okay.
Yeah.
And Kevin Tandra waktu first day juga gimana? Waktu itu cari teman yang pasti kan ya teman-temannya udah grup-grup gini kan. Terus Kevin sempat bingung nggak mau ngobrol sama siapa? Kan bajunya semua sama nih, biru. Saya nggak tahu, mungkin Kevin bingung mana yang kelas 7, mana yang kelas 8, mungkin kan.
Ngomong sama sepupu sendiri si Andrew tuh.
Andrew yang kelas 8, Andrew mana? Andrew yang kelas 8?
Kelas 8 ya.
Oh, itu sepupunya Kevin.
Iya.
Oh, oke. Terus gimana? Dia sempat kayak kenalin Kevin, oh ini di sini WC, sini lapangan, sini kelasnya Kevin, gitu-gitu.
Nge-guiding aku aja sih.
Oke, oke. Nah, terus habis dari kan Andrew habis itu kan udah kan dia di kelas dia. Terus Kevin sekarang sendiri nih. Terus Kevin waktu itu gimana? Cari temennya gimana?
Ya kayak sekolah biasa aja, habis itu paling introduce gitu kan. Nah, basically gitu aja sih.
Kevin kenapa bisa pilih TB?
Ya kalau dulu sih waktu kayak kan sering lewat tuh kan kalau habis dari rumah akong aku kan di itu kan.
Di mana tuh?
Lupa.
Rasau.
Enggak.
Supadio,
Enggak lah. Enggak sejauh itu juga. Tapi sekitaran situ kan. Nah, sering lihat tuh TB tuh kayak kelihatan menarik gitu. Nah, pas mau masuk SMP itu mau masuk gitu.
Oh, oke. Kan sekolah lamanya Kevin kan juga ada level SMP-nya juga.
Ada.
Maksudnya kenapa nggak ke SMP yang itu, kenapa ke SMP yang sini? So, karena pindah sekolah is not very moving to other school. You will have a lot of consideration ya. First of all new friends, right? So you need to adapt, right? Kalau kita cuma naik level tapi di sekolah sama, mungkin enak-enak teman-temannya kita udah tahu, oh ini saya udah teman sama ini. Enak gitu untuk nanti level ke SMP-nya udah kenal sama sini. Tapi kan untuk ke sekolah lain itu kan butuh ada dorongan yang lebih kuat gitu. Dorongannya itu apa, Kevin?
I don't know sih, sir.
Oh, dari orang tua mungkin ya? Yang suggest atau Kevin yang mau?
Hah? Sebenarnya aku mau aja sih ke TB sih, soalnya di sekolah lama juga main stres, banyak PR semua segala macam.
Oh, oke. Tapi kan SMP juga banyak PR kan?
Kalau di TB gak ada PR.
SMP nggak ada PR?
We just
Nggak ada.
finish it at class.
Yeah.
Nggak selesai.
Iya.
Kenapa kayak teman-teman kalian yang kayak kemarin saya interview si Felix ya kemarin tuh ya, yang dia bilang itu frustasi.
Oh, mereka tuh nggak tahu kenapa itu.
Saya masih punya mindset ya, SMP itu tuh stres loh, enggak ya?
No. It is so easy. When I move here, I was like, what is this?
Iya,
Ini
easy.
kok bisa matematikanya masih learn about fractions. That is what I'm talking about. Kalau matematikanya saya kan udah algebra, advanced algebra, nggak tahu lah sampai apa.
Tuh kan ada basic math sama math kan?
Iya.
Yang fraction itu mungkin basic math kali.
Iya, basic.
Yeah, basic math.
Okay.
And the math is just using calculator, nothing much. Yeah. Kalau dulu in my school, math is mix. Yeah, basic math sama math boleh pakai calculator and all. Tapi lebih fokus ke more advanced math.
Iya.
Yeah.
Karena gini, kita waktu SD kan kurikulumnya tuh IB. IB itu tuh nggak terlalu akademis. dibandingkan Cambridge. Cambridge itu sangat akademis ya.
Yeah.
Kalau IB itu tuh math-nya itu tuh konsep. Jadi kita punya soal cerita, punya konteks, nanti gimana kita bisa hitung matematikanya. Jadi kalau misalnya pas mereka SMP kan udah konteksnya tuh sudah nggak banyak, langsung fraction, langsung angka,
Yeah.
nggak ada soal cerita.
Uh-uh.
Nah itu mungkin mereka perlu untuk
Dulu kalau waktu di sekolah dulu saya, it's SLK, Sekolah Lentera Kasih. Ya, banyak sekali PR-nya. I
Oh.
think we use Google Classroom at that time.
uh,
Yeah, I don't know if you know, but I think I have around like 30 missing. Yeah, I'm just too lazy to do that things. Yeah.
Grind
And
block
the
fruit
last,
kah?
huh?
Grind.
And then the last day before, like 1 week before graduation, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I do it every day for like, I don't know, for 5 days or some. Even at the weekdays, I don't even go out. I don't do anything. Just PR. Yeah. It was done. All of it is done. Yeah. And then yeah, we're good.
Ya kenapa ya? Jadi gini, saya tuh pernah dapat beberapa orang tua juga komplain ya. Jadi gini, dia bilang, kenapa anak saya nggak ada PR? Jadi anak saya di rumah itu tuh
Main aja.
main game,
Iya, main aja.
My mom tell that too. Yeah, sama aja.
Terus dia bandingkan sama sekolah lain. Sekolah lain, saya punya sepupu, itu sepupunya anak saya, sekolah lain di rumah saya lihat kerja belajar, kerja PR. Karena kan gini, mereka tuh hire guru les untuk kerjaan PR anaknya. Jadi ya ada lesnya gitu loh.
Iya.
Sedangkan kalau sekolah di TB, mungkin mereka les pelajaran bingung karena kan kita pelajaran kan itu tematik.
Yeah. I
Jadi
know.
bingung mau ngajar apa. Ya paling adalah les Inggris, lah les apa. Cuma memang nggak ada les pelajaran. Okay, if you are faced with that kind of parents, how do you convince the parents that it is also good not to have homework?
Yeah, it's also good to not have homework because less stress. I mean, yeah, because even though we have homework like dulu sekolah saya dulu ataupun sekolah lain ya, they give us a lot of homework. What we get, all the things we get is just stress, higher level of stress, probably even depression. Who knows? But I never suffered, just stress.
But did you get any more knowledge from doing homework?
No.
No,
No.
it's
Really?
just the same. Doing homework is just like revising what you have done on the school. Like, such as I'm doing fractions or indices.
Yeah.
Madam Yani give me homework, right? The thing is, I'm just revising it. I'm not really studying anything. All you do is just see the questions or this, and then you just revise what you have learned from the whiteboard from kelasnya, and then you just write down this, that, yeah, and then done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ada pepatah bilang practice makes perfect.
Yeah,
Right.
Practice make perfect, but
Jadi kan kalau itu apa? Revising kan juga sebenarnya kan bentuk practice
Yeah.
supaya lebih perfect, supaya lebih memorinya lebih ingat
Yeah.
gitu. Which is good, right?
yeah, that is good, but I mean, but homeworks give us stress because we feel the pressure, and then we have a deadline.
Okay.
Yeah. So like, I don't know, you give us a homework for this day, and then the deadline is tomorrow,
Okay.
which is really giving us a pressure on it.
Okay.
You go home, you think about it. Do you wanna do the homework today?
No.
And then you just do it for hours.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't know if you can do it for hours. Probably until night. Yeah, the only thing you get is stress.
Stress.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then nothing more. Just that.
Same thing ya Kevin Tantra. Also stress. You don't get any benefit from doing homework.
No.
And then when you were in primary waktu SD juga you also did a lot of homework. Okay.
Namanya sir.
Saya sensor itu. Oke. Tapi gini, jadi kalau sekarang kalian itu homework kerjakan di jam break atau gimana?
No.
Enggak.
When there's a
Waktu
homework, waktu other periods, periods kayak the time ataupun like pas-pasan. Just after madam give us homework or mister give us homework, we just do it.
You just do it on other subjects period.
Iya betul.
Mhm.
That is the reason why I saw you sitting on the floors a lot.
Yeah,
Is that-
because
is that the reason?
we don't wanna give like the teachers. We don't wanna let the teachers know we're doing this for like several minutes, and like if it's math, I can do like I don't know how many minutes. Ask him lah.
No
I've
wonder,
done a test for like 3 minutes only. Math test.
Math test only 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Iya, benar.
Okay, so Madam ini gave you a homework, but then you did it only 3 minutes.
Can.
Can. Okay.
Fractions, I
Fraction.
can. Anything multiply, I can.
Kok pernah kan yang di bawah 10 menit tuh NPK
Yeah.
tes?
Itu tes atau homework?
Tes.
Oh, tes.
Tes
Iya.
beneran.
Tes. Oh, oke, cuma 10 menit.
Yeah.
Oke.
And then I got a whole bunch of snacks for him from it. I made a bet with a friend.
Lah perasaan Hot Wheels car.
Apa tuh apa? Bet taruhan.
Kayaknya, yeah.
Jadi gimana betnya gimana? Betnya gimana?
If I do it under 5 minutes or 10 minutes,
Huh?
I get like snacks and Hot Wheel car for fun.
Hot wheel?
Hot Wheels.
car.
Yeah.
Car?
The
Mobil?
the tiny car.
Yeah,
toy
we love
thing.
cars.
Ya.
Oh. Jadi gimana? Jadi Kevin bet sama temannya siapa biasa?
Hah?
Stefan.
Oke, bet sama Stephen. Stephen, kalau gue bisa kerjakan tes dalam waktu 5 menit, Stephen kasih Kevin apa?
Anything he likes.
snacks ya, gitu ya.
Snacks or anything.
Kalau di atas itu berarti Kevin yang kasih Stephen snack.
Yeah,
Oh.
but I actually succeeded.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't know. It was 3 minutes or something.
Oh.
Yeah.
And then the rest of your friends spend like 30 minutes, 40 minutes to
Oh
complete.
yeah.
Iya beneran.
Oh bener ya?
Iya, bener.
Kami berdua paling cepet.
Oh. Oke, karena it's so easy.
Well, the good thing is I got 100. My mom is kind of mad at me after
Oh.
seeing that. Yeah. Yeah, just that.
No, gimana? You get 100 for your test and then
Yeah. And
And then
then
your
my
mom?
mom is kind of mad
mad why?
because I do it so fast.
You do it so fast and then you also submit so fast.
Yeah.
Kan
Yeah.
demi free time.
Demi
Yeah.
free time.
You know, sometimes when you finish the test so fast, you can actually just
Yeah, just
Just-
sit down,
yeah, just
watch
sit.
YouTube. But in some class, like Madam Jenny, she doesn't allow that. I don't know. But I don't really care.
so you have to submit it first before you can do whatever you like.
Yeah.
Before-
Sometimes I do my essay.
Uh,
Yeah. Or whatever in this.
Okay, I get it. When you were in primary school, you said that you have a lot of homework and then you get stressed. Why didn't you do the same strategy that you're doing it right now, which is do the homework on the other subjects
You cannot.
class?
You cannot.
Why?
My old school, we don't have computers, kan? They just give like papers. Ya, dulu kan masih SD, nggak
Yeah,
boleh
we aren't
pakai.
allowed to like
Yeah.
bring laptops.
Oh.
Bring laptops.
Yeah.
Phone boleh, tapi simpan.
Phone disembunyiin tuh.
Hah?
Nggak boleh ketahuan punya aku.
No, masa?
Iya, punya aku nggak boleh.
Tapi Kevin bawa juga. Dia
Dulu
punya.
pernah ngadi-ngadi pas kelas 1.
Apa ngadi-ngadi itu apa?
Kayak macam-macam gitu, bawa ke sekolah.
Kelas 1 SD.
Kelas 1.
Oh, terus ketahuan.
Iya.
Terus akhirnya hukumannya apa?
Nah, ya.
If you have some trouble, you can always speak to our counselor, which is Bu Sari or wali kelas ya.
Enggak, just keep
Selalu.
it. Keep it by myself. I am not telling anyone.
Tapi kan Kevin ada itu kan konseling kan? Konseling. Pernah nggak?
Ada.
Ada kan?
Pernah.
Counseling is a time where you can
Curhat.
curhat apapun,
Yeah.
ya. And then it's a very safe place.
Oh, not safe.
Yeah.
Not safe.
Yeah, there's
Madam
such
Sari told to my mom once.
Oh iya, maksudnya safe itu artinya ya maksudnya untuk ngomong ke parents mungkin masih oke ya.
No.
Maksudnya bukan safe kayak ngomong ke teman-teman nggak.
Never trust your parents with your secrets.
Uh-huh.
Based
Yeah.
on facts, sir.
I told Madam Sari my secret. It goes to my mom. My mom is mad.
When you speak to Bu Sari, you have to make sure that Bu Sari, please don't tell my parents.
Yeah, I want to say
Ah.
that every time I go to counseling now, Bu Sari,
Ah.
please don't tell my parents. This is between you and me only.
Yeah.
And not telling your parents.
Kalian udah berapa kali konseling sama?
Tuh.
Baru satu.
Oh, satu. Ini kalau
Satu.
Kevin dua.
Iya,
Dua karena apa? Karena ada masalah.
ada masalah sekali.
Oh, masalah sekali.
Yeah.
Oke.
One time is just for fun, I think. Yeah, with friends.
Friends. Oh ya.
Yeah.
Ya biasalah anak-anak lah ya.
Kalau masalahnya itu antara sama kelas.
Hmm.
Yeah, with friends, tapi it was just I don't know, but we were playing around at that counseling. We were not really that mad to each other, just playing around. We don't really care about the counseling.
How many students were in that room with Busari? So you and then there are some
Four.
other friends. Oh, 4.
Me, someone.
Someone. Oke.
I don't know if I can mention it.
It's okay. Sebenarnya kan waktu kalian konseling sebenarnya kalian udah cukup baikan kan? Maksudnya maksudnya kemarin mungkin play around tapi kan
To be honest, it was like, no, I don't really know about this, but I think I'm not supposed to tell. It is a secret until now.
Oh.
Yeah, but like, yeah, we were still in good terms. Yeah, we were talking to each other. Yeah,
Oke. Terus Kevin tahu sekarang Kevin poinnya sisa berapa?
87.
87.
Yeah.
Terus kenapa kemarin bisa pengurangan dari 100 tuh masalahnya apa aja kalau boleh di-share? Share yang
Late.
tidak. Oh, late.
Uh-uh.
Oke, late.
Lupa fingerprint in the first day. Nah,
Berapa
itu
kali kau?
I'm still very mad kalau my fingerprint. I didn't know there was a fingerprint. Yeah. So I just walk into the class,
Bro.
go in normally.
Then why do you think those things are in front of the left?
Pikir untuk guru.
Guru apaan?
Ada tulis.
Tapi
SMA.
agak make sense sih.
Iya, SMA.
Iya.
My old school kan guru-gurunya pakai itu untuk.
Iya, pakai manual
iya.
gitu.
Ah.
Harusnya siswa SMA, siswa SMP gitu ya. Harus ada kata siswanya.
Yeah, so like orang baru kayak saya tuh, I thought it was for guru, so I rather not touch. Tapi I'm glad it was this guy told me sudah fingerprint gak before you go down.
Wait, dia?
But yeah, but he told me to go to Madam Sari. I don't know who it was, so I was like, no, later lah.
Oke.
Yeah.
Kalau Kevin Tandra poinnya sisa berapa masih tahu? Masih ingat?
96 97.
Oh, bagus ya. Kok bisa kemarin ada kurang 3 poin?
Telat. Bukan, nggak pernah telat aku.
Bad word.
Bad word aku hanya 3 warning.
Enggak,
Aku belum minus. Belum minus aku karena bad word. Belum.
bad word saya 4. Nah,
No, I once hit si Reynolds tuh kan. Nah, itu masuk
Yeah.
ke misbehavior jadi minus 3. I hit Reynolds at the back.
very hard.
Very hard ya?
Very.
Sampai
Sampai
nangis.
ada bekas.
Oh. Kenapa bisa hit?
I think it was just playing around.
Iya,
Oh.
betul.
Yeah.
Tapi Renner juga menganggap itu bercanda atau Renner juga?
I think he took it personally.
Oh. Yang ini saya boleh share atau cut juga?
Boleh.
Oh, boleh, nggak apa-apa ya. Maksudnya
Iya,
Renner
nggak
juga,
apa-apa, nggak
itu
apa-apa.
masalah lalu lah ya.
Iya.
Renner juga
Udah
udah
lama
oke.
dah.
Iya.
Udah lama dah.
Oke.
Primary school I said a little bit.
Yeah.
Not really much.
Paling say gitu, ya kan. Basic.
Kalau
Basic.
dulu sekolah SD juga sering lah kalau itu mungkin hal yang umum gitu ya.
Ya gitu lah.
Gurunya pun dengar pun udah nggak apa-apa lah.
Dulu
Iya.
my teachers don't really care about
Iya,
bad
beneran.
words.
Oh.
Yeah.
Terus let me ask you about homework again. Jadi kan saya juga baru tahu ya setelah saya podcast sama anak-anak lain. Ternyata banyak anak-anak juga yang do the homework during the break time. Ya. Jadi di rumah itu supaya nggak ada
Free
homework,
time,
free
just free
time,
time,
gitu
yeah.
kan. Pertanyaan saya itu sekolah lain kan juga sebenarnya banyak homework karena juga kita ada beberapa pindahan juga dari sekolah lain kan. Kenapa mereka nggak lakukan hal yang sama? Dan itu juga bukan SD loh ya, SMP SMA juga ada.
Nggak tahu.
Apa
I
karena
don't
homeworknya
know.
banyak?
I think it's because not really, but every week you get 7 homeworks like my old school. I think not really 7 homeworks. I think the whole subject.
Imagine that
one
was per
homework
day.
only.
Oke.
Ya. Jadi setiap hari palingan ada 1 homework gitu. Harus deadline-nya banyak lah. Jadi every time is stress lah. I cannot even do it. Yeah.
Oh,
I can do it but I'm just too lazy. Tahu lah.
oke. Tapi kalau Kevin di TB, menurut Kevin, are you lazy now or
Still very
Or
much.
getting
Still
better.
very lazy.
Still very lazy.
But I rather do my work because this work is easy. Like such as English, I can do like in matter of seconds probably.
Yeah, because English is like a native language for you.
Yeah.
What about bahasa Indonesia?
Bahasa Indonesia. Bahasa Indonesia for me is really easy.
Oh, okay.
I don't know why. Even though I don't study, I got 100 last week. I don't know why, but still, yeah, it's very easy for me.
Do you also get 100 for bahasa Indonesia?
Enggak, 93 kan?
Aku nggak pernah belajar lah ya untuk tes saya. Sorry
Apa?
mak kalau pernah ini denger.
Saya enggak ada belajar lah.
Iya sama.
But your bahasa Indonesia is better than Kevin Hendrawan.
Yeah, because
right?
I always pick BI from the when I'm born.
Yeah. But how come your score in bahasa Indonesia is lower than Kevin Hendrawan?
Losing brain cells on school.
Oh, oke. Terus karena gini, Kevin Hendrawan itu kan waktu saya masuk ke kelas kalian, Kevin Hendrawan tuh kalau ditanya sama guru pakai biologi, math itu selalu jawabannya paling cepat dan paling benar. Nggak ada mikir, nggak ada pokoknya langsung jawaban.
This thing is because
Skill difference.
skill issue sama I don't really wanna be in screen time like kayak I don't wanna go there tunggu lama-lama write the things in the board kayak how do you do 1 + 1 I don't know this thing and that one.
Sometimes you get sometimes you kayak geram gitu. Kok teman-temannya kok lama gitu untuk
I don't wanna do the way. When you do the way, I lose my brain cells. I cannot do it any way in like things. Division, I cannot do it with way. I just straight up in my mind. I get this answer. Alright, done. Times, I don't do it and way straight up in my mind. Yeah,
Okay.
that's I don't know why.
Which I know that for some students, the teacher need to explain the way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When I see the questions, I see just one video from Madam Yani, like today indices.
Okay.
Indices was pretty kinda hard, but not really that hard.
Okay.
Took me like how many minutes to learn? Yeah.
Okay. Kevin, menurut saya, I think the reason why you are so good at whatever, like math, whatever, is because you did a lot of homework when you were in primary.
No sir, he got skill issue sir.
I'm not really sure. I think
Is there any connection between like
No.
doing a lot of homework and then now you are very
Actually,
good at math?
kinda because now it's Cambridge kan.
Ah.
I know a lot of Cambridge curriculum. Like we have to do whatever this thing. I know probably there will be in English about I forgot what's that thing called later lah. It's probably because the teachers dulu punya taught me grade 6, 7, 8, 9 itu semuanya tuh di revise dari 1, 2, 3, 4, 5
SD.
6, 7, 8. Iya. Kalau if you're grade 9 right now, you're gonna learn not really much about a new one. You're gonna learn 8, 7, 6. I don't know.
Basically
5,
what
4,
you
3,
just
2, 1.
learned in the
Yeah.
past.
We just revise it. That's how my old school do. And then grade 10, we learn a whole new topic. Yeah.
Oh, grade 10. Okay,
Yeah.
I get it. Nah, Kevin Tandra, menurut kalian benar gak yang tadi saya ngomong? Kalian sekarang pinter itu kan sebenarnya gara-gara kalian pernah ditempa begitu keras waktu SD dengan PR, dengan tugas. Oh enggak ya?
Tiba-tiba aja sir.
Kenapa tiba-tiba pintar?
Iya, nggak tahu kenapa.
Tiba-tiba pintar. Oke. Nah, being smart, is it a talent when you were born or is it something that you should learn, you should improve?
Nah, this one my mom say I'm clumsy. I don't like to do ways and other stuff in math. That is why I get like 98 or some not a perfect score, 100 in all of the subject.
Clumsy means ceroboh, right?
Ceroboh,
Yeah,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah, I don't really wanna read much. I wanna do it fast. I wanna like I watch YouTube. I'm too lazy for this.
Yang penting selesai nilai bagus.
Yang penting selesai nilai sama 90. Ya, at least not fail.
Yang penting lulus dah.
Oke. Terus ada juga beberapa itu argumen dibilang gini, nilai itu nggak penting.
Iya betul.
What do you think? Kenapa kalian selalu achieve high score dan sebenarnya ada argumen bilang nilai itu tidak penting. Yang penting itu apa sih?
I'm sorry, but the argument is bull.
Ah.
Yeah, it's nothing like, it's not really good. Nilai tuh actually depends on yourself. Like if you wanna get a good score, what do? You study, kan? I don't really know, but others do that. Yeah, but if me, I wanna get a good score, yeah, try not to be clumsy. Yeah, gitu lah. To be honest, scores do really affect your stress level and sometimes depression, but I've never got one.
Oh, jadi kalau kita mau achieve high score, kita akan lebih stress. Oh,
Ya,
The more
soalnya
you
kan-
learn, the
Ya.
more you learn,
the more stress you
the
get.
more stress. Yeah.
Okay, but so far you haven't got that much stress from learning and from getting high score. Saya mau cerita, Kevin Hendrawan waktu daftar TB, sebenarnya kita tuh slotnya udah full.
Oh, I don't even know.
Terus sebenarnya kita udah nggak mau terima, ya.
Yeah, my mom told that.
And then Pak Rahmat, the principal at the time.
Yeah. He, if I'm not wrong, he told me to do some things
Yes.
like the work.
Yeah.
Yeah, he told me to do math.
Mm.
I think the math now it's very different. It's very different. It's like OSN level, not really OSN.
Oh, the one that we gave you for the entrance test.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's kinda a little bit hard for, I think the fourth question, the last one, it is really hard. I tried myself. Yeah, it took me around 2 hours because I haven't really learned about that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was like bracket multiplication. I think it's called elimination or what, I don't know.
I don't even understand.
Yeah. Tapi
But
pokoknya
did you get the correct answer for those?
I think Paramat say I get correct for all.
Really?
Yeah.
Enggak mau, Mak.
Hello, my name is Kevin Hendrawan and I'm about to do MTK or Mathematics number 2, 3 and 4. So number 2, in the diagram A and B is a straight line. Find the value of X and the value of Y. And so we do 180 minus 80. Number 3, write 55. Need to do is convert the kilogram into grams, which means 2,200 grams. This is the paper.
Masa bener lah aku sampai betul semua tuh. Set dah. Ngeri amat tuh.
You know, Pak Rahmat used to send me like you won some awards like
Oh, yeah,
Olympiade. What is it, math?
Yeah, about math.
Mau amat.
You know, when Pak Rahmat sent this picture that you hold this award, for some reason, saya mikir kok kepalanya Kevin kok bisa besar dari badan. Mungkin angle kamera ya.
Yeah, angle camera.
Terus saya pikir Pak Rahmat mungkin nggak ini Photoshop ya.
Enggak mungkin lah.
Kan bisa juga dong, bisa.
Iya,
dong.
bisa juga.
Iya sih, nggak
Tapi
salah sih.
I don't know.
Karena gini, kepalanya Kevin tuh besar, terus mukanya bisa putih.
Yeah, my mom use a lot of lighting.
Oh,
Like
that
skin
is why.
tear.
itu benar-benar foto di situ atau kayak itu foto di rumah terus diedit dimasukin ke dalam itu enggak?
Foto di sana,
Oh.
I don't know where. I forgot.
Oh.
Where is it?
Ya pokoknya nanti nanti saya
Iya.
posting juga.
Oke.
Supaya kalian bisa tahu. Waktu itu saya pikir, ini jangan-jangan editan. Coba Pak Rahmat kasih dong soal math yang lebih sulit. Maybe that's the reason why we give you that.
Okay.
Tapi karena bisa jawabannya bagus, semua pas, ayo udahlah, akhirnya 30 students. We are hoping that having this Kevin can also help other students, ya.
Yeah.
Karena kalau sekitar siswanya ramai tapi jadi beban kan juga susah juga. Tapi kalau misalnya bisa bantu teman-teman, ya oke. Dan juga kan Kevin sekarang kan lagi pelatihan untuk OSN kan.
But I'm not looking to join. I'm too lazy.
Oh, but
Lalu
you still
kok ngapain join?
My mom.
Oh.
Make sense.
But you still do this like weekly training, right? With
Yeah, weekly training
with,
with Madam Yani.
with Madam Yani, oke. Sebenarnya OSN tuh bagusnya gini. Memang sih kalau secara akademis sih itu mungkin
Yeah.
sangat ngedrill banget ya.
Too hard for me. Warren bisa. Ya, Warren bisa lah. Dulu tuh sebenarnya I love speed math. If sir know, like multiplication cepat, division cepat.
Hmm.
Yeah, that is why I got the award. Itu about speed math kan? Yeah, I got a lot of awards for speed math. Di Kumon juga ada. If you know Kumon.
Iya, aku ada dong.
Iya,
Kok masuk kumon?
iya.
Sekarang masih?
Enggak.
Oh enggak, karena udah pintar.
Hah? I don't know.
Sekarang ada les gak Kevin?
Hah?
Ada les nggak?
Les Mandarin.
Doang.
Iya, tapi
Kalau-
sekarang kayaknya sudah stop.
Oh, kalau pelajaran nggak?
Hah? Pelajaran enggak. Pelajaran if I don't understand, I just talk with my friends, suruh mereka explain for a bit,
Oke.
and then yeah,
And then-
probably will understand or no.
And then you can always ask your teachers.
Iya.
Kalau friends yang biasa Kevin ngobrol siapa aja kalau tentang pelajaran?
Wendy,
Oh, Wendy.
yeah, Wendy because he's good at chemistry,
Oh, oke.
which I cannot.
Oke.
Yeah, and then business studies kan dia OSN apa ya?
Bisnis ya?
Business
Oke.
ya.
Ekonomi.
Ekonomi. Ya, ekonomi juga nggak bisa. About
Oh.
like the world stuff,
Oh.
except for global perspective,
Hmm.
itu I like because it's like social studies.
Hmm.
Ya, I cannot.
Oh,
Nah,
jadi lebih
and
lebih ke
chemistry
science lah.
juga. Ya, I love science, physics and biology is my thing.
Iya, iya.
Yeah.
Chemistry juga I'm quite weak at chemistry. Chemistry for me is like magic. For some reason the
yeah,
answer
yeah.
is like that, right?
Why does water evaporate? Inilah answernya itulah.
Kalau fisik kita masih bisa pakai logic. Kalau mobil
Iya.
nabrak ke situ, ya pasti force-nya kita bisa. Kalau ada perbandingan yang mobil dengan kecepatan sekian, nabraknya sekian.
Ya.
Kalau jauh
Masih bisa count
masih bisa
force-nya.
kita masih pakai logic. Oh,
Iya.
pasti ini lebih besar dong
Ngerti,
kalau
iya.
kecepatannya lebih tinggi. Tapi
Itu
kalau-
actually like world logic, like
word logic ya.
the only thing you get is like from Earth. Yeah, physics is about like how does the Earth works, how does gravity works. Yeah, biology kan tentang wildlife, animals and stuff. Yeah, kalau chemistry kan about
Magic.
magic.
Yeah, so
It's basically magic.
Yeah.
Ini juga sama.
Ya, Kevin Andra juga thinks chemistry is just like the answer is coming from out of nowhere.
Iya.
For some reason that's the answer. Tapi tentu guru chemistry akan berpendapat lain. Ini kan kita karena weak at chemistry aja.
Iya.
Sering remet aku sir, kemis.
Oh, sering remet.
Sering.
I'm still improving until now. I don't know.
Kevin
But-
yang sering remet apa aja selain chemistry?
Kurang tahu. Kayaknya sih hanya kemis.
Oh, hanya kemis.
Mandarin juga, Mandarin.
Oh, kemis Mandarin aja. Kalau Kevin Hendrawan apa aja? Yang remedial.
Wait.
Iya,
I think the only remedial I get is 2 times Mandarin and 1 time chemistry in
Oh.
the school. Yeah, just that.
Jadi kalian namanya sama tapi juga punya karakter dan skill yang sama juga. Nggak bisa chemistry dan punya Mandarin, yang lain semua bisa. Oke. Nah, terus jadi saya bisa kasih kesimpulan overall kalian di TB itu lebih nggak stres dibandingkan waktu SD.
Iya,
Yeah.
betul.
Oke. Tapi anak-anak TB merasa SMP lebih stres daripada SD-nya mereka.
Pelajaran.
Itulah ya,
Pelajaran.
I don't really understand about that.
Ya, because of the new materials
Yeah.
begitu.
Indices such as kayak the girls or other boys kan I see they don't really understand. They need help, they need this, they need that. Ya. Ya, banyak lah.
Iya, iya. Makanya kita ada namanya basic math, pelajaran basic math. Karena itu untuk bikin jembatan lah antara SD ke SMP. Karena SD itu mathnya konsep, tiba-tiba SMP itu tuh mathnya tuh benar-benar murni. Jadi gapnya itu tuh is so huge. That's why we have this extra lesson called basic math. Makanya basic math tuh nggak boleh pakai itu kalkulator. Jadi kita tuh melatih kita
Yeah.
punya otak supaya
Just our
logiknya
brain
tuh
just for like basic math is just for common sense of math.
common sense.
Yeah, like multiplication, division, minus, plus. Yeah.
Oke.
And then the rules of math.
Terus kalian pernah kerja PR di rumah?
No, never.
Jadi 8 bulan ini belum pernah
Never.
I don't
pulang
know, I
rumah bawa
forgot.
apa? Forgot.
Ah.
Forgot berarti belum pernah dong. Kalau pernah kan pasti kan ingat.
Ingatan aku emang nggak bagus, sir.
Enggak
Sama,
bagus.
sama.
Tapi
Yeah.
kok pelajaran bisa bagus?
overloaded with a lot of things going through our mind.
Ya, that's so true.
Yeah.
Oke, kalian kan masih kecil, masih SMP nih. Sebenarnya pikiran apa sih yang banyak di otak kalian tuh apa aja?
Game.
Oh, game.
Game pasti.
Not really games, but I think games doesn't take a lot on my mind, but new subjects does, because I'm trying to remember. Until now, I still don't really know how to do indices, but I can still improve. Yeah.
Oke. Kira-kira apa yang perlu diperbaiki dari kelas kalian atau dari pelajaran kalian, atau dari misalnya kalian pengen, atau misalnya dari rule sekolah, apa sih yang menurut kalian terlalu keras, yang menurut kalian konyol deh, atau everything oke?
What is it? Kalau ndak tuh sebenarnya if allowed, like what's that thing? After we done the thing, you don't really need to ask permission for watching YouTube or what. Yeah. And probably sitting on the floor, because that's my thing and my friend's thing, because we usually just sit there. We don't want to be noisy at all. Yeah, because the new rule is like, kalau kita be noisy, satu meja kena. Ya, nanti kalau I'm being noisy.
No, like seriously, sir. If one person from his table kan is noisy, all of them get the punishment.
Punishmentnya apa?
Nggak tahu, kurang tahu.
Tahu. Pernah nggak dapat punishmentnya?
Enggak,
belum.
Paling cuma ditegur aja.
Iya.
Oh. Karena kan kalian lagi tes nih, terus kan kalian udah kelar duluan. Ya, of course the teacher expect you not to be noisy, right? If you're noisy, then you will disturb the concentration of the students.
But the thing is, I think after kayak Madam Yani, after we've done the test, I think we need like some watching time, because to relieve our stress lah, to let our stress get away. Kan habis tes, a lot of pressure. You need good scores, good marks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Terus kalau sekarang, bukannya you still can also watch YouTube, right? After you finish the
You
test.
can, but like Madam Yani, no. I think, yeah, Madam Yani never. I've never done it in Madam Yani's class.
So after you finish Madam Yani's test, what do you usually do?
Sit down, thinking about what to do.
Main
nothing
jarak
else.
jauh.
We talk to each other sometimes. Yeah.
Yeah, we try to communicate somehow.
Okay, maybe because you finish so fast and then there is like plenty of time.
Yeah, we just
There's
don't.
nothing.
You got bored.
Yeah.
We got bored. Pernah sekali di what's that exam?
Final exam.
Final exams of our semester. The way we communicate is using Paint on our laptop. So we just wrote letters on it. Yeah, we just communicate. Yeah.
You say
Basically
your
like
laptop,
like chatting, Basar.
chatting. So what you use Paint because you have to write so big, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you just face the screen towards your friends so that your
Yeah.
friends can.
Yeah.
Because
that's
Kevin T and
Bro, you
mine-
cannot even read mine.
Saya
If
my
I use
image
words,
is
you cannot
blur.
even read it.
Yeah.
Nggak bisa.
Kalau dulu zaman saya kan,
Pakai kertas.
which is ya pakai surat-suratan, which is like 20 years ago ya.
We will literally get apa namanya? We will get 0 if kalau pakai kertas.
Oh,
kayak
jadi
gitu.
harus pakai-
langsung di disqualify.
Oh, karena itu dibilang menyontek.
Ya.
Oh, ini kan waktu tes.
Ya.
Dulu kalau zaman saya waktu habis tes kerja selesai duluan, ya kita paling tidur. Bener-bener nggak ada kan waktu itu kan zaman tuh nggak ada.
Ya nggak salah
Ya,
sih.
Nggak ada
nothing
laptop,
else.
nggak ada.
Nggak salah
Iya.
sih.
Kita paling melamun.
Tidur the best.
And then
Oh.
the best thing about my old school, which probably you can change now, Sir Velvin can too, is after test or like in break, in break waktu sebelum before kan saya masih SD, ini tidak boleh, tapi hanya SMP yang boleh.
Okay.
Kamu boleh main laptop, boleh main game tuh di SMP kalau break. Habis itu kalau kadang-kadang kalau habis tes, tesnya kan ini probably like science, I mean physics test. Habis itu after that is break kan. Probably we can get an early break kayak gitu. That's how my school works.
Iya, betul.
Jadi boleh keluar kelas lebih awal.
Iya.
Asalkan udah selesai gitu.
Iya.
Selesai. Oke. Ya, later when Bu Ratna watch this podcast, maybe you can
Probably
change
can
her mind.
Yeah.
I will not tell Bu Ratna to change this rule because
it's basically opinion just
Okay,
from
yeah.
two of us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Terus ada satu lagi tanya Marina Brev. Saya nggak tahu ini siapa ya.
Marina.
Marina siapa sih?
Who's?
Kok kayak II aku? Sabar.
Ini.
Mana. Ah iya.
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 II-nya. Oh ya. Karena dia tanya sampai 3 pertanyaan.
Nge-creep.
Emang
Ya,
apa?
Pertanyaan pertama, pernah ketiduran di kelas gak?
Enggak.
Pernah.
Oke.
Fisik English.
Karena terlalu gampang.
Enggak.
Tapi
Oh,
hampir.
bosanin.
Oh bosan.
Math hampir.
Ah.
Karena terlalu gampang, bosan, nggak bisa ngapain. Harus tunggu tuh teman.
Udah ngantuk-ngantuk tutup mata
Udah
dah
ngantuk,
aku.
ya. Probably we just sit on the floor, tidur gitu.
Oke.
Just lying down, look at the roof.
Pernah kena tegur guru juga waktu itu?
Iya pernah.
Pernah,
Pernah, oke.
selalu.
Di note.
Terus kalau Kevin Nanda kayaknya lebih sering nih ketiduran. Ketiduran tadi fisik sama apa?
Fisik sama English kalau
Oke.
nggak salah.
Bosan karena apa? Karena gampang atau karena apa?
Nggak ada kerjaan.
No.
Fisik kan itu
Physics
kalau nggak salah
is
lagi
bosan.
Iya.
Yeah,
Lagi
so
jelasin
boring.
kan itu kalau nggak salah series kemarin.
All you do in physics is just learn about a new thing.
Jadi gini fisik. Jelasin, udah ngerti,
Hah?
dikasih paper. Udah.
Oke.
Basic itu.
Kalau kita sudah selesai paper, kita nggak boleh buka apa gitu.
Dan papernya gampang juga.
Iya.
Main.
Oke. Pertanyaan kedua dari II-nya Kevin. Sering kena hukum nggak Kevin
Nggak.
T?
Enggak.
Enggak.
Oke, good.
Kita
good.
berdua enggak.
Paling suka pelajaran apa Kevin T?
Math easiest.
Easy yes. Pamer kau skill.
Oke, jawabannya
Apa?
math ya.
PI.
Oh,
PE.
Karena apa? PI karena bisa
Ya,
bebas gitu.
I like
Ya, bebas.
basketball.
Oh, basketball.
Catur.
Oh ya catur ya kalian main catur ya. Sama-sama Bill sama Warren ya.
Iya, aku sama ya.
But I rarely play chess.
I think chess is a bit boring ya. I mean untuk awal-awal mungkin seru sama teman. Siapa sih yang paling jago chessnya? Tapi after few days, a while, you feel that what is the
Yeah.
challenge anymore? What is the point of playing this?
I think I've just reached 1,000 elo on chess.
1,000, which is
Yeah.
good ya.
Yeah, good.
Highest.
Highest ya.
Highest in the class.
Warren second highest.
Dari Links Veronica, nakal yang mana? Kevin H atau Kevin T?
Ah.
Siapa nih Links itu siapa?
Ilat aku lagi.
Kenapa I kok banyak banget?
Banyak lah. Keluarga Cina. Mana gak ada banyak.
Oke.
Kenapa kau?
Nakal mana? Kevin H atau Kevin T?
Iko?
Sebenarnya dua-duanya kita.
Ya, Iko.
Oke. Kan kalian sebenarnya termasuk yang paling ribut di kelas ya, karena waktu saya minta
No,
anak-anak
no, oke.
turut kan.
Aku ada momen pendiamnya juga ya.
Oh.
Okay. I'll tell about this, but probably when I say I'll just call them girls.
Ah.
Yeah, because whenever someone talk very loudly with me, they will just point at me. So I'm the one who gets blamed. The whole class is chaotic. I'm the one who gets blamed. Nah, itulah. I don't know why.
But then this girl says that whenever you laugh so loud.
Not really.
No, that's me.
Ya, itu dia.
Oh iya, oke. Kevin T yang laugh so loud.
Iya.
Oke. Kevin T sebenarnya ngomongnya nggak gitu banyak, nggak gitu keras, tapi pas
Iya.
ketawanya itu jadi
We-
kelasnya tuh ribut gitu loh. Jadi itu desibel di kelas tuh jadi tinggi gitu karena ketawanya si Kevin T.
Bukan hanya itu, karena mix with the current class thing,
Oh.
it's chaotic kan?
Ya.
Oke.
Yang mereka tahu tuh kita berdua aja.
Oh.
Waktu Kevin, waktu ada orang laugh gitu,
Ah.
kencang kali.
Ah.
Siapa? Inilah the girls. Vinte, udahlah jangan itu apa ini. Aja tuh kalau yang ngomong kencang-kencang like this. Ini benaran ya, whenever a girl talks to me so loudly ya, I'm the one who gets blamed. Yeah, so every time I get blamed.
Cewek selalu benar.
Tapi kan guru kan bisa tahu itu suara cewek. Kenapa dia bisa?
I don't know, makanya selalu I get
Random,
blamed.
sir.
Ya udah. Ya anyway, itu kan curhatnya kalian berdua ya.
Ya.
Curhat.
We hate about that. The only thing we hate is that. Yeah.
Tapi untung kalian pintar kan di kelas. Jadi itu maksudnya teman-teman kalian juga pasti kan sangat itu grateful punya teman kayak kalian. Jadi kadang-kadang kan pernah nggak kalian PR kayak ada tugas nih misalnya ada yang bingung apa,
Tolong.
minta kalian bantu,
Iya,
kalian
pernah.
misal jelasin kan itu hal yang bagus juga.
I cannot really explain stuff.
Atau nyalin gitu. Nyalin enggak? Enggak ya, bagus. Good. Oke, dari Aurel, siapa yang paling ngeselin di kelas?
Nggak tahu.
Nggak tahu.
I don't know.
Oke.
It's either two of us or one of us.
Oke.
We don't know. Sih.
Per aja
Iya.
sih.
Tuh capek.
Udah, kita jangan ngomong orang lain. Nanti kena masalah.
Nanti kena masalah lagi sama emaknya lah.
Oke. Pengen kuliah di mana?
I'm looking to find a degree on what is it? I wanna be a
Fireman?
No.
Firefighter.
Pilot.
Oh, pilot.
TNI AU.
Oh, mau masuk TNI.
Iya.
Jadi TNI AU ya, berarti
Iya.
apa ngendarain ini pesawat.
Mau F18.
Berarti yang itu Top Gun kemarin nonton
Nonton pasti.
Top Gun
Nonton.
itu kan ulang-ulang tuh.
Top Gun best.
I really love it. Like, yeah. Kalau mau jadi TNI AU, watch that first.
Bro, just say you wanna go Mach 10.
Tapi gini Kevin ya, film itu kan selalu dibikin drama-dramanya
Fake,
ya.
iya.
Ada CGI-nya, ada dia punya koreografi, udah diatur segala macam. Sama kayak dokter ya, kan kita banyak film Korea atau film
Iya.
Barat yang dokternya kayaknya keren-keren. Wah, ini ada kasus-kasus
dokter,
ini.
wow, ini keren dokternya,
tapi-
achieve everything.
해성병원 응급.
Tapi pas lu jadi dokter, ya sebenarnya ya sama aja kayak
Dokter
biasa-biasa aja gitu
Iya,
loh. Maksudnya
kayak sama aja kayak orang biasa.
Heeh.
All you get is stress, level
ya,
stress,
karena
probably
namanya
depression.
film kan semua didramatis. Termasuk jadi guru juga. Di film ada guru yang bisa kungfu. Mukul preman sama macam filmnya si itu apa? Donnie Yen ya?
Ya, Donnie Yen.
Ah,
Ya.
guru
Ip Man
kan-
4,
ah.
ya dia kan guru apa gitu.
Kita nonton
ya.
itu, kita pengen jadi guru kan?
Pengen
pas
jadi guru.
Nah, pas jadi guru,
Aduh, ini ngapain ini?
jadi stres kan?
Iya.
Oke. Ya udah itu aja sih. Yang lain semua konyol-konyol.